How to outline text in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can outline text in Photopea. So if you are wondering how text can be outlined in Photopea, just follow me and watch this video till the end. So let's go right in it. The first step is to log into your Photopea account and then open your project. Once your project has been opened and you are brought to the editor's page, next step is to select the text that you would like to add an outline to. Once you've selected the text, okay, how do you select the text? First of all, select the text by going to where the text is located by double clicking on it, or better still, you can come to the right side of the screen where you can see some options, and then you can see the layers tab. Under it, you can see the layer, and then you can just decide to select the layer directly. So once you've selected the layer, come to the lower part of the screen where you can see other options, other icons representing functions like delete, new layer, new folder, new adjustment layer, the add raster marks, and then the F. Select it. Once you selected it, in the box displayed, select stroke. And once you selected stroke, and that box will be displayed where you can now edit this stroke. All right, you can decide to increase the size of the stroke or decrease the size of the stroke. You can decide the position where you want the stroke to be, and then you can decide if you want it to be normal or overlay, and then you can decide to edit the opacity of the stroke as well, and you can also change the color. All right, if you don't want the color that is being displayed there. And once you're done selecting, click OK and OK, and then just like that, as you can see, an outline has been added to the text. It is that simple. This is how we can outline text in Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.